Hello everybody and welcome to the lecture on BCD to 7 segment decoder. A lecture in the course of Digital Electronics and Microcontroller Applications for Mechanical Engineering students of the 4th semester. Till now we've been studying simple combinational circuits like adders, subtractors, encoders, decoders, multiplexers, demultiplexers. Today we will concentrate on a special type of a decoder called BCD to 7 segment decoder. A BCD to 7 segment decoder accepts BCD code and gives output to a 7 segment display to produce decimal numbers on the display. What is a 7 segment display? In a 7 segment display, each segment is made up of a material that emits light when current is passed through it. LEDs, LCDs are most commonly used for this. These segments are identified using letters A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Total 7 segments. If we light up or illuminate various combinations of segments, we can display numbers from 0 to 9. A, B, C, D, E, F for 0. B, C for 1. A, B, G, E, D for 2. A, B, G, C, D for 3. F, G, B, C for 4. A, F, G, C, D for 5. A, F, E, D, C, G for 6. A, B, C for 7. All 7 segments for 8. And A, B, C, D, F, G for 9. 7 segment LED displays can be of two types: common anode LED display or common cathode LED display. In the common anode type of 7 segment display, a low voltage has to be applied to an LED cathode so that current flows through the diode and that segment illuminates. In common cathode type of 7 segment display, a high voltage has to be applied to an LED anode so that current flows through the diode and that segment illuminates. Let us now design our BCD to 7 segment decoder circuit. This is the functional diagram where you can see the 4-bit BCD inputs A3, A2, A1, A0 and the outputs A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are properly connected to the 7 segments of the display. To come up with a logic circuit, we should be able to determine each output in terms of the input. A should be in terms of A3, A2, A1, A0. B should be in terms of A3, A2, A1, A0. C should be in terms of A3, A2, A1, A0 and so on. This means that we have to know the expression for A. What should be A? When should it be on? Expression for B. When should B be on? Etc. To do this, let us first understand the function table. We have the decimal digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 whose BCD representation is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 and last 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we mention the segments that should get illuminated for each digit. Assuming a common cathode type of a display, we have to provide a high voltage to the segment so that that segment gets illuminated. So the output should be 1 if the segment is on and the output should be 0 for the segment to be off. So, as we have seen, A, B, C, D, E, F should be 1 for 0. A, B, C, D, E, F. BC should be 1 for 1. BC. A, B, G, E, D should be 1 for 2. A, B, G, E, D. A, B, G, C, D should be 1 for 3. A, B, G, C, D. F, G, B, C should be 1 for 4. F, G, B, C. A, F, G, C, D should be 1 for 5. A, F, G, C, D. A, F, E, D, C, G should be 1 for 6. A, F, E, D, C, G. A, B, C should be 1 for 7. A, B, C. All 7 segments should be 1 for 8. All the 7 segments. And A, B, C, D, F, G should be 1 for 9. A, B, C, D, F, G. Yes. Now we need to find the expression for A using a K-map. So let us plot the map for A and obtain the expression. We will have a 4 by 4 map for A3, A2, A1, A0. And since only 10 cells will be used, remaining 6 cells will be considered as don't cares. So, for A, we have 1 0 1 1, 0 1 1 1, 1 1. Now we perform this grouping and obtain the expression A equals A1 or A3 or A2 A0 or A2 bar A0 bar. For B, we have 1 1 1 1, 1 0 1 0 1, 1 1. We perform this grouping and obtain the expression B equals A2 bar or A1 bar A0 bar or A1 A0. For C, we have 1 1 0 1, 1 1 1 1, 1 1. We perform this grouping and obtain the expression C equals A1 bar or A0 or A2 or A3. For D, we have 1 0 1 1, 0 1 1 0, 1 1. We perform this grouping and obtain the expression D equals A3 or A1 A0 bar or A2 A1 bar A0 or A2 bar A1 or A2 bar A0 bar. For E, we have 1 0 1 0, 0 0 1 0, 1 0. We perform this grouping and obtain the expression E equals A2 bar A0 bar or A3 or A1 A0 bar. For F, we have 1000 1110 11. We perform this grouping and obtain the expression F equals A3 or A1 bar A0 bar or A2 A0 bar or A2 A1 bar. For G, we have 0011 1110 11. We perform this grouping and obtain the expression G equals A3 or A1 A0 bar or A2 bar A1 or A2 A1 bar. So, according to the expressions, the logic diagram looks like this. Let us verify it for the segment B. B is A2 bar or A1 bar, A0 bar or A1 A0. I'll repeat. B is A2 bar or A1 bar and A0 bar or A1 and A0. I hope you have understood the working of BCD to 7 segment decoder. If these connections are made and you input a BCD code as A3, A2, A1 and A0, the output will be the corresponding decimal digit on the 7 segment display. Please contact me in case you have any difficulties. Thank you.